Welcome everybody to class. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Make yourself long, climb the rope, stretch the spine, create space between your vertebrae, press the feet down at the same time, feel the difference. Good. Join your palms and bring it down to your heart center. Very nice. From here, we open the legs. So we come with the right angle of our chair in between our legs. Hands are on our thighs. Our knees are over our ankles, okay? Don't bring the heels back. This is not so stable. It's not a good alignment anyway, but it's also not so stable. So try to have the heels in line with your knees, or if you like, a little bit further. Good. And from here, we paint with the belly button number of 8, waking up the whole spine. So remember, the number of 8 has a lot of different movements. You're moving back, forward, to the sides, crossing. Make it bigger or smaller. Feel what your spine is needing right now. Remember, when you move backward, you can bring the belly button towards your spine and feel the difference. And we change direction. Let's take the other one. Yes. Good, and we stop. Now we inhale, we hug the shoulder blades together, we open the chest, and maybe we lift the chin a little bit for a gentle cat and cow now. Exhale to slide your hands over your kneecaps and round the back, bringing your chin towards your chest. Inhale to open the front and squeeze the shoulder blades. Exhale to round your back. And bringing the belly button in. And then back to neutral. Right forearm on top of your thigh. Release your arm. And from the front, you bring it up over your head, over your ear. And you reach over to the right. Yes. So now the upper shoulder moves a little bit down. So you're closing your chest, and now you're opening your chest, and you look up maybe. And now you're closing your chest while you're reaching actively, and you're opening the chest. And we do it one more time. You're closing, and you're opening. Reach maybe a little bit further, maybe a little bit further. Good. And then with the next inhale, press the feet down. You come all the way up into a triangle. So T-shape, arms, palm facing towards me. Now you drop down towards the right. You reach up with the upper hand and you reach down with the other one. Feel your core working. And you come all the way up. Drop the right arm down and reach over to the right. Yeah, reach, 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 reach. Use the core. Good. Back to center. Take a deep breath in. Inhale, circle your arms up. Palm touch, namaste. Elbows same level as your shoulder, and then you take a twist over to the right. And you look a little bit maybe over your right shoulder without pushing yourself into the twist. And then you come back to center. You release. You bring your legs in front. We open the legs for one more time. We are sitting to the front of the chair and we lean back, touching the back of the chair. So now, without rounding the back, it means belly in, close the space between your hips and your lower ribs. Open your arms, and now flutter a little bit your arms open. Flutter, flutter, opening the chest. So adjust your legs so that you feel comfortable. Bring the chin a little bit in, belly in. And now press your feet down, stop the arm movement and with the strength of your core, come all the way up, release, and we take the other side. So now we have the left angle, the left corner of the chair in between our legs. Adjust again your feet and your knees over your ankles. Good. Now we inhale here, circle your arms all the way up, and we exhale, bring your arms down, and we start with the side angle. So, no, the other side, with left forearm on top of the left thigh. Release your arm down and up, overhead. Yes, the palm is facing down. So we reach, we create space here on the right side of the body. And now we drop a little bit the shoulder down, so we close the chest. And then we open the chest. We close and we open. Really actively opening while we are reaching. And again, one more time, we close, and we open, and we reach, 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 reach. Good, with the strength of your core, come all the way up into a T shape. Palms are facing forward, and take a nice triangle. Hold yourself up, hold yourself with the core, reach from both sides away, pull, pull, pull away. And then inhale, coming all the way up. Well done. Now inhale, arms up, palm to touch, take it into a twist. Again, press the palms together here, and your elbows are at the same level as your shoulder. Good. And from here, twist over to the right, left. And maybe you look a little bit over your left shoulder, maybe, or you look just towards your hands. Good. And back into neutral. Well done. Release your hands. We take a cat and cow. So inhale to squeeze your shoulders. We're going the way back now. Exhale to round. Inhale to open and squeeze actively the shoulder blades. Exhale to round. Pull the belly in. And neutral, and the number 8 with our belly to close the sequence. Again in one direction. Enjoy this fluid movement for your spine, lower back, everything. Oh, it's so nice. Good. Change direction, other direction. Take the other direction. All good, Pat? Yes? Moving like a snake. Yes. And then we come back to neutral. Well done. Close your legs. And shake, 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 shake. So give it a little bit of more active shake. Shake your arms. Sit a little bit back. Lift your legs and shake everything like a dead bug. And let your voice out. Good. Get hold of your right wrist with the opposite hand. Now stretch it across and over to the left. Now reach over to the left, so you pull over to the left, but you resist with the upper body, with the torso. You are not leaning, you stay in the center. Feel the stretch, reach, 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 and the other side. Grab, pull it across and over, resist with the upper body. Resist, 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 breathe in and out. And we take it overhead, if it feels good, otherwise repeat this option. Now overhead and over to the left, again resist with the upper body in this modification. Yes, you can widen your legs for a better stand, of course. And back to center and the other side. Good, opening nicely the ribs for better breathing. Back to center, release your arms down. Sit forward on the chair, stretch the right leg in front, come on top of your heel. Good. Now you can get hold of the side of the chair or have your hands on your waist, whatever you like. Spine is long and you lean over the long leg. And you look towards your toes, and your toes are curling towards you. Feel the stretch on the back of your leg. So actively really curl the toes towards you. Keep the spine long, don't drop the head completely down. Keep the head in line with your neck. So nice, relax the neck, and then all the way up. Could you feel the hamstring stretch? Yes. Let's take the other side. So only one little tip. When we place the foot on top of our heel, we have a default position for the foot. Sometimes the edge of the foot is like pressing to one side or like this, or try to have the foot completely in line with the leg. So it means maybe you should send an input to your little toe to come a little bit more towards the center line, right? And this will change also the experience of the stretch. So try, so we exhale, stretching, and though that little pinky, it's not dropping down. Keep it active and curl all the toes towards you. Good. And reach forward from the crown of the head, not down, so the crown of the head is reaching forward, your chest is reaching forward, and you come all the way up. Good. Bring your legs back into position. And let's take a final twist, inhaling up, reach up, make yourself long, a nice resetting for your spine, belly in, don't press your hips towards the front, so belly in, exhale with the belly in, drop your hands, just drop the hand to the right, and look over to the right. We take a deep inhaling, growing tall from the crown of the head, and with the exhale, we release the shoulders down. Good. Next inhale, arms all the way up. Again, make yourself super long here. Press the feet down, belly in, and we take the other side. Breathing in and out. And then inhaling all the way up with your arms again. Good. Now press the feet down, exhale, rotating your wrist, slow. Feel your wrists working here. Good. And then we stay here, we take the other direction. Other direction for the wrists. And thank you so much for sharing your time with me today.